Cost a little money just to drip like that. Yeah. David on the daily, main man. And rolling with Rick. Alright, gang.
David on the daily shirt. I need one of them.
I got my man rolling with Rick here. We finna tell y'all how many speakers he got in this truck. We finna let y'all see how loud it is. We finna let y'all check it out. Give y'all a little bit of this. We gotta move from the house when I let y'all hear it, but we might crank it up here. We gonna see. And oh yeah, Sugar Man, I be watching you, man. I'm coming down to your show, man.
Oh, can I go?
So I'll be there. David on the daily, man. Get at me. Sugar Man on that. I like that box. I love it. Keep doing what you do.
Can I go? Yeah.
Rolling with Rick, y'all go
subscribe to him and hit that bell. You already know notification.
Oh man. Oh man, that week.
Y'all see? Let out rails. I gotta get them on my dually. I'm gonna put them on the dually. PVRs.
Subscribers.
Alright. Gang, get rolling with Rick. 1 million subscribers.
Right here because when I went out last night, people was running up to the truck doing stuff, and some female threw a lipstick thing, and I said on it on your seat, and I ain't know. It's just some makeup look.
Yeah,
At first the music kept going, I wasn't know why though, but I figured out what it was. This wire on the end coming
out. You got, let me see. Mid PVR.
My mama a promise. I was a young nigga when I came out of her stomach.
2, 4, let's see. 6, 8 mid. You see them PVR, 8 mid PVR. 4 horns. Yeah. 26s. I see it. We've been here, give a walk around. It's dirty because it's been raining a lot in Jacksonville, so.
Now what is this trap up here?
And like I told y'all, I got something coming out real soon. I'm trying to bring it out in a month. Do it real quick. Ain't nothing but a little something, but it's something. You know, I love cars. I've been doing it since 16. I've been doing this for a long time, so I'm doing something I love to do. Anybody need pointer tips? I could get them done quick for a cheap way. I could get them done right, and it take a little longer, but it's all how you want to do it. But anyway, it's the right way. Don't ever let nobody tell you it's the wrong way. Anyway, it's the right way. You got some wheels and you're rolling. Y'all see her. Got $1 million stand on. Cost a little money just to drip like that. Yeah. David on the daily, main man. And rolling with Rick. He got 612s in it for a flow through.
Nigga at the tuck, you turn to runs in this bitch. When they hit that, watch how they run in this shit. We walk in the party, we finna have fun in this bitch. Been not act retarded, we bought guns in this bitch. Nigga at the tuck, you turn to runs in this bitch. When they hear that, watch how they run in this shit. We ain't ducking shit, so tell them niggas, let's get at them. What's the name got put up on that news, like why they clapped them? He had tried. Bitches coming fast, they overlap them. Them bitches hot as hell, they cook this ass just like some scallop. You ain't bout that life, stay out that field, boy, you a actor. If you scared for your life, go see a pastor. My niggas, they some demons, plus they savage. Pop a perk, it make me happy. Roll them up and niggas look grab it, now he ashin'. We smoke dead niggas, phone don't let that leg hit him. He gon' keep on doing all that talking, make my man sicker. Oh, you should've ran quicker, blow him down, fan nigga. Oh, you think I'm playing, nigga? Put him in the sand, nigga. We walk in the party, we finna have fun in this bitch. Been not act retarded, we bought guns in this bitch. Nigga at the tuck, you turn to runs in this bitch. When they hear that, watch how they run in this shit. We walk in the party, we finna have fun in this bitch. Been not act retarded, we bought guns in this bitch. Nigga at the tuck, you turn to runs in this bitch. When they hear that, watch how they run in this shit. And I know that you a hoe, you ain't never swing a dope. I told 30s in this bitch, I don't need an armor, I'm blow. Hit the dope, I'm finna blow up, so you better hit the flow. You little freaks, I kick them out after I fuck up on their throat. I be dolo in my city, get up with me, get a pole. Fucking Drake, but you ain't say you better get down. Chopper pick you up, then sweep you up and make you get round. Beat the block, then skip round. Hell no, I don't fuck with gang clown. She just ate the dick, you stupid bitch, but you a damn bitch. No dead niggas, phone don't let that leg hit him. You gon' keep on doing all that talking, make my man sicker. Oh, you should've ran quicker, blow him down, fan nigga. Oh, you think I'm playing, nigga? Put him in the sand. Get out, get out, get out, get out.
Yeah, music by Daddy, y'all about to get at it. Signing real quick. If you don't, it's gonna be a lot real soon. I tell you that. That's music by Daddy. Y'all go to his channel and check him out. Good music.
Shut your ass.
The full video on his channel, y'all want to check it out. Full video.
What you talking about? Hang up in this bitch and you know gangsta to be filing out. I'ma make sure we rockin' out, we get the draw, we poppin' out. Don't delete no tweakers when I catch you, boy, I'm filing out. Bitch, I'm on that gang shit. Fuck it, let's go swing shit. Any nigga around me, boy, you know they are dangerous. I can't even tame the shit. 4-5, it be staining shit. Boy, you know you been a bitch. And boy, I heard you whacking shit. Damn, I done fucking lied. Run up, boy, you fucking dying. Bitch, you know I'm slang line. You posted where them bullets fly. Up it, bitch, I get the fine. Innocence in your brother's dying. Up it, bitch, I get the fine. Innocence in your brother's dying. Can't run away, bitch. Why? Damn, cause I'm fast fuck. Grew up in this bitch and you know, bro, he don't even get no fuck. Mister, keep your heater tucked. I see it, boy, you getting bumped. Boy, I'm really shicey. If you see me, boy, you better dump down. Don't you stop the beat. Boy, you know I keep my heat. Boy, you know I got it and I keep that fucking 223. Fuck, it's a Glock on me. Fuck, it's a mop on me. If I fucking see it, boy, you know you getting popped on me. Hottest in the city, keep blazing up, niggas popping out. Drop the wrong honey, get you beat up, bitches dropping out. Clutching on the stitches, we ain't miss, we steady falling out. Can't run away, it's 223 out AIS on top. I ain't finna talk with that nigga, no rap with that nigga, cause that nigga had like a oh, I got to drop on niggas, I clap at them niggas, I know that they be at us, bitch, I can't be a bitch, I hop out with that chopper, start swinging this bitch, ain't no way you can go play on baby, my dick, while I think on my blick. Bitches, he creep, I ain't trust no. Dick to my brother, I'ma slap with that shit. That's some shit that I can't never let go. Better watch what you say, cause I'm dying behind this. I get that drop and I be at your.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell.